Hello, my name is Diana Haywood. I serve as Vice President of the North Carolina Synod. I greet you on behalf of the North Carolina Synod Council and committees working on the 2021 Synod Assembly. After much consideration, the North Carolina Synod Council made the decision to hold the 2021 Synod Assembly online. This way of meeting an assembly will be different than what we are accustomed to, but has proven to be successful and effective in other synods during the past year. The Synod Council is confident that the assembly can be accomplished with safety, integrity, and according to our governing documents and procedures. The assembly will include opportunities to worship together, keynote presentations, discussion, and consideration of usual assembly business items. And this year, as it happens every 6 years, the Synod Assembly will include a bishop's election. Following our Constitution, ecclesiastical balloting will be used for the election of a bishop. We are a church in 3 expressions: the church-wide expression, synods, and congregations. We are church together, so during the Synod Assembly, we will have the presence and the expertise of the church-wide unit. The Synod Council will review, facilitate, and assist with the Synod Assembly and the process of electing a bishop, and congregations select voting members. The term voting members is very intentional, as voting members have no preconceived notions, no congregational instruction, and no directives. During the past few years, the North Carolina Synod has strengthened its commitment to ministry by intentionally doing the work of articulating a purpose statement and core values. North Carolina continues to be an exciting synod as we implement strategies and initiatives which help us to cultivate and celebrate vital congregations, identify, equip, and nurture whole and healthy leaders, embrace and engage in collaboration, and proclaim the promise of the resurrection with a prophetic voice, all for the sake of the world. This statement of purpose and our core values of being Christ-centered, having generosity, being in relationship, and reconciliation provide a clear vision and guide us in our work together. The theme of this year's assembly is collaboration, one of the 4 pillars of our purpose statement, and a wonderful focus as we engage in a bishop's election. Centered around chapter 2 of Mark's Gospel and the healing of a paralytic, we will focus on strength for the journey. As congregations, and especially voting members, prepare for the assembly, please reflect on our purpose, vision, and core values, and the gifts needed by the bishop, the pastor of the synod. Guests and visitors may follow the proceedings of the assembly by visiting the synod's Facebook page or YouTube channel. June 3rd through 5th will be an exciting time. I hope you will join in. North Carolina is the place to be.